Hi, everyone. I'm going to show you two things that you need to turn on in order to find the regression, the correlation of coefficient when you do a regression on your calculator, when you're using the statistics functions of your calculator. There are two things to turn on. The first is called the first is called Stat Wizard. And you want that turned on because it makes using the statistical functions of your calculator easier. So the way you do that is you press the second button and then the 0 key, which says catalog on it. So second catalog. And what you get is an alphabetical listing, excuse me, of every single command that the calculator understands. So I'm going to press my down arrow and I'm going to keep going until it says Stat Wizard. There is a little bit faster way to do this, but this is just the easiest way. It takes a little bit of time to scroll all the way from the beginning of the alphabet till near the end. So scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. We're finally up to the L's, trying to get to the S's. Okay, we're getting close. We're at the P's now. Q, R's, and S's, finally. So I probably want to, instead of pushing the down arrow and holding it, I probably want to do it one at a time. So here you can see there's choices Stat Wizard on and Stat Wizard off. You want to turn it on. So scroll all the way down until the arrow is pointing at Stat Wizard on, press enter, that pastes that onto your home screen, press enter again, and it will tell you that it has done that. And so that's a good thing. You always want to leave that on. Now we can clear that and we want to do the same thing. We want to turn diagnostics on. So again, second catalog, and then we're going to scroll down to the D's. And we want to turn the diagnostics on. So make sure the arrow is pointing to diagnostics on, press enter, and then press enter again, and it will say that it is done. You need the diagnostics on in order to see the correlation coefficient when you're doing a regression. And having the stat wizard turned on helps you enter things when you are trying to use the stat features of your calculator. It'll make it so that it will ask you for what it needs rather than you having to memorize a list of how you're going to put things into the calculator. So you want Stat Wizard on, and you want Diagnostics on. And then you're good to go. Thanks for watching.